Welcome to Goa Song Academy's YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover a mathematical topic, circle. Welcome to this lesson on circles. A circle is one of the most elegant and symmetrical shapes in geometry. In this session, we will explore what makes a circle special, its parts, properties, and real-life uses. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify different components of a circle, recall important theorems and solve basic problems involving its area and circumference. Real-life connection. Before diving into geometry, let's pause and look around. Have you ever noticed how often we encounter circles in our daily life? The wheel of a bicycle, the round face of a clock, or even the shape of a pizza. All are perfect examples of circles. These real-life objects remind us that understanding circles isn't just for mathematics. It helps us appreciate the beauty of shapes in the world around us. Definition of a circle. So what exactly is a circle? Imagine a fixed point which we call the center. Now imagine another point moving around it, always staying at the same distance from the center. The path traced by that moving point is what we call a circle. This fixed distance from the center to the boundary is known as the radius of a circle. Every point on the circle lies exactly at this radius distance from the center. Parts of a circle. Every part of a circle has a specific name and purpose. The radius connects the center to any point on the circle. A diameter passes through the center and touches both ends of the circle. It's exactly twice the length of the radius. A chord is any line segment that joins two points on the circle's boundary, while an arc represents a curved portion of the circle's circumference. When you draw two radii from the center, the enclosed region with the arc forms a sector, like a slice of pizza. And the region between a chord and its arc is called a segment. Together, these parts form the complete anatomy of a circle. Important terms and relations. Let's recall some essential relationships and formulas. The diameter is twice the radius, meaning if the radius is 7 cm, the diameter becomes 14 cm. The circumference is the total distance around the circle, just like the perimeter of other shapes, and it equals 2 pi r. The area of the circle, which tells us how much surface it covers, is given by pi r squared. Here pi is a special mathematical constant with a value approximately equals to 3.14. These simple formulas helps us solve a wide range of problems involving circles. Theorems on circle. Geometry becomes more exciting when we discover patterns within the shapes. Here are three important theorems about circle. First, equal chords of a circle are equally distant from the center, meaning if two chords are of the same length, their perpendicular distance from the center will be equal. Second, the perpendicular drawn from the center to any chord will always divide that chord into two equal halves. And third, angles formed at the circumference by the same arc are always equal. These theorems helps us establish strong geometric relationships between lines, angles, and circles. Real-life application. The geometry of circles isn't just limited to classroom. Engineers use circular motion concepts to design wheels and gears. Architects use circular patterns while designing domes, arcs, and fountains. Even the equal spacing of clock hands at 12, 4, and 8 is a visual representation of equal angles subtended by arcs. Circle geometry makes our world move smoothly from the rotation of a wheel to the orbit of planets around the sun. Now it's time to practice. We have three questions for you. First is, if radius equals to 7 cm, find the diameter. Second, find the circumference when radius is 3.5 cm. And third is, find the area when the diameter is 14 cm. Let's apply what we have learned to solve a few simple problems. In the first question, when the radius is 7 cm, the diameter is simply twice that, or 14 cm. For the second, to find the circumference, we use the formula 2 pi r. Substituting r equals to 3.5 gives us 22 cm. Finally, for the area, we use pi r square. With a radius of 7 cm, the area becomes 154 square centimeter. Notice how easy this relationship helps us calculate all properties of a circle once we knew just one measurement. To wrap up, let's summarize what we have learned today. A circle is a set of points at an equal distance from a center point. Its key components include the radius, diameter, chord, arc, sector, and segment. We explored important formulas for circumference and area and discussed key theorems that connect chords and arcs. Finally, we saw how circles are not just mathematical figures but practical design shaping everything from wheels to architecture. Understanding circles helps us connect mathematics to real life, and that's the true power of geometry. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also comment down your favorite topic you want to learn from us in simple language.